about one more content. Motion of connected bodies. Motion of connected bodies. First, let us discuss on the horizontal surface. Later on, which are passing over pulley, we'll discuss in the next. Okay, first I will discuss horizontal surface. Okay, here two bodies, two blocks we are considering. These two are attached by the string, which is massless. Okay, here I am considering one condition. Massless string. If it is having mass, what the changes happens, we'll discuss that in the further classes. Just first I am considering without mass. Okay, here two blocks which are connected, two different blocks of masses M1 and M2, and there is a force exerting. These two are placed over the surface. Okay, here two bodies, there is a force, these two connected by the string. Okay, right now how much amount of force is exerting, need to exert to move with an acceleration A. What happens to the acceleration of this? Acceleration remain same for both the bodies. Why? Because they connected by massless string. So what is the force exerting? F equals to minimum force M1 plus M2 into A. So we can write an acceleration with respect to acceleration F divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, right now if you consider what is the tension in between these two, M1 and M2. M1 is pulling towards M2, M2 is pulling towards M1. So there is a tension in this, we are considering it as T, which is exerting on M1 body. So T is equals to M1A according to free body diagram. What is the free body diagram? This is the free body diagram. This is M1, only one force is exerting, that is tension, with an acceleration A, forward direction. So T equals to M1A. Acceleration A equals to F by M1 plus M2, then tension T is equals to, we will get M1F by M1 plus M2. This is the formula for tension in the string. Okay, and coming to second, you can exert a force in reverse. Okay, F is the force which is exerting on the M1 body, same as it is, just reverse. Okay, we'll get the same manner. And here three bodies we are taking. First body which is connected with the string, second body is connected with the one more string, three blocks M1, M2, M3. These three are placed over the surface. There is a force exerting on bigger block. What is the acceleration of the system? There is a force exerting, F equals to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into acceleration A. Because combine it together, we are considering it as a system. So total mass of the system is this into acceleration A. So which is moving with an acceleration in forward direction A. Three blocks which are moving with the same acceleration. So we'll get an acceleration formula. A is equals to F divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, it will be this equation number 1. Then after that, what is the tension in the string which is acting in forward direction, backward direction? Why? Because this body pulls, this second body pulls m3. So which is acting like tension will be in the string. I am considering it as T2. Same manner T1. What is the tension in the string? First string T1, second string T2. Okay. In order to find the acceleration of M3, what will you get? What is the tension here? It will be T1. What is the acceleration of this? A. So we can write tension T1 is equals to M1A. First body we consider M1A. So what is A? This is A. So we can write formula for tension T1. T1 equals to M1F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the tension in the first string. Okay. Similarly, tension T2 I am writing. T2 is equals to, suppose if you omit this, what is the force exerting on these two bodies? T2. So M1 plus M2. So M1 plus M2 into acceleration A. So acceleration A is nothing but this again. Okay, but it once again T2 is equals to M1 plus M2 into A. But because if you omit this, which is same as like this, instead of tension there is a force. So F equals to M1 plus M2 into A you can write, where F is nothing but tension T2. So we are getting like this. Tension T2 is equals to this, but A is nothing but this is the formula. So you can write tension T2. T2 is equals to M1 plus M2 by M1 plus M2 plus M3 into F. Okay, this is one more formula. Tension T1, T2 and acceleration 3 you can calculate. Here also we got acceleration, tension, T in the string in terms of forces and in terms of acceleration. And reversely you can calculate the same, where F is the force which is exerting on smaller block. So what happens, again we'll get the same formula for acceleration. A equals to F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Okay, tension here it will be T2 you need to consider, here it will be T1 you need to consider. So then we'll get the same method. Okay, this is the concept of motion of connected bodies on the horizontal surface. Okay, later on we'll discuss connected bodies which are over the pulley. Okay, pulleys concept in the next class we can continue. Okay.